Welcome back to Mastering Tech Customization with FUNBIRD LLC. Today we're diving into the world of custom ROMs for Android devices. So, what's a custom ROM? Think of it as an alternative version of the operating system that your phone runs. Android is open source, which means developers around the world can tweak and improve it. A custom ROM allows you to replace the factory version of Android with a version that suits your needs, whether that's better performance, fewer pre-installed apps, or even a completely different look and feel. But before you jump in, remember, installing a custom ROM often requires rooting your device, which can void warranties. It's also important to back up all your data before trying any customization. Stay tuned, because in the next video, we'll guide you step by step through the process of selecting the right custom ROM for your phone. Make sure you subscribe to FUNBIRD LLC for more awesome tech tips and tricks.